Hello everybody. I don't normally do very many bodywork videos and paint videos, but I figured I would make a few short ones on this Yukon. It's not really got any dents in it. The only thing wrong with it was the clear was peeling and turning to dust. The hood had been resprayed, but the tops of the fenders and doors and stuff, just like that roof, were failing. So I'm doing a respray on that. So I guess this is a introduction to that. I'll show a few things, and if you have any questions on what kind of primer I'm going to use or any of that, let me know and I'll make a video about it. But otherwise, I'm just going to do it like this for a before. I'll do one with it in primer, and I'll do one when I get it back together and it's painted. So until next time, God bless. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.